Hello, in this video we are going to talk SEO, and I'm going to give you a behind the scenes peek at how my favorite SEO plugin for Squarespace works. That plugin is SEOspace. And before we go any further, I just want to say as a disclaimer that this video is not sponsored in any way by SEOspace, although I do love that company. Shout out to the founder, Henry. You guys do amazing work. This is the only paid tool for SEO that I really recommend for Squarespace. Everything else in my mind is an inferior product. So this is what to use to improve the SEO of your Squarespace site. And I could write all day long about my ideas about SEO. I'm not like the SEO expert. What I love about SEOspace though is it helps me feel like I have a handle on exactly what I need to do to improve the SEO of not only my site, but the sites that I build for clients. And it really helps demystify what can be a really overwhelming thing. And I think SEO doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to be scary. We're not going to use any weird tech jargon. I'm going to show you exactly how SEOspace makes this a really simple and straightforward process. We're going to get started on our Pacero site by scanning, getting a score, and then I'm going to show you how we can improve it step by step. Let's dive in. Okay, so we are here on our Pacero site, and I have my SEOspace plugin activated. And what it does is create a little icon here in your Chrome browser, and we will get started by just jumping straight in. And the first thing we'll do is do an initial scan just to get our baseline score, and that will show us exactly what we need to do to improve. So I had previously scanned, so this jumps right up, that I have a score of 25% on the homepage for Pacero pasta, which is not good, but we are going to improve it. And what I love is that SEOspace makes it so clear exactly what we need to do to improve upon the SEO performance of our website. So for Pacero here, in order to get this score to rise, we have some really clear action steps that we can take, and they're broken down in really identifiable ways. There's help tips to help us understand. But for example, our heading and our H1 on our site, we do not have we have 0 out of 3 of the recommended items. So that's not good at all. So it's recommending that we add an H1, that it is between a certain number of characters and that has a certain number of words. So easy, I can do that. It's recommending that we have our SSL certificate installed. Since this is a trial site, I'm not going to be able to do that. So we will have to pretend, but that is an easy one as well because Squarespace sites automatically come with an SSL certificate. You can disable it, which is what this plugin is looking for, but so easy to just make sure that your site is secure at all times. We're going to look at the meta description. So again, it's providing some guidance about what performs well there. It's giving us an indication that we just don't have enough words on this page, so I can improve upon that. There's feedback about our SEO title, the URL, the links on the page, whether the site is connected to Google Search Console, and then some feedback about the images. These are all super actionable. I can see at a glance here which things I'm doing well on and which things need improvement. I am going to hit pause, make a few updates, and then we will rescan. Okay, I'm back. I've made a few changes to my site, and let's look at this scan together. So recall here that our score was not good before, but I knew exactly what I needed to do in order to get it to move up. So let's hit rescan and rescan our webpage and see how I did. If I made any improvements above that 25%. And let's see, I think we're gonna do pretty well. All right, so already at 63%, that's 38% better. That is a win that I will take. Keep in mind that this score will be even higher if this was a real site, because there are a few things here that I just can't do on a demo site, such as make sure that the SSL certificate is active, checks the images, or connect this to Google Search Console. So if this was a real live site, I'm confident that I could get this score to 100. For a demo site though, I'm going to call this a huge win because I have done everything I can. Look at all this green. So this was just a basic scan, and it just kind of covers the foundational things that we can see here. If I wanted to go even deeper, I could add a keyword. So I might want to rank for cooking classes in my area. I could use this tool to search for the recommended keywords to see, if they are something I could potentially rank for. And SEOspace will offer even more suggestions to optimize the site further by incorporating that keyword throughout the content in the appropriate places in the appropriate ways. So to start, I think that we've done a really great job by getting this to, let's just call it 100. And to take things to the next level, I could add a keyword and make things even more search engine friendly. So lots to do on SEOspace. I just barely scratched the surface, but if you've been wondering about how the tool works or what it might be able to do for you, this hopefully has shown you just how powerful it is. I'm going to drop a link below if you'd like to take advantage of a free SEO scan that I'm offering. You can sign up for that on my site, and I will use my SEOspace plugin to scan your homepage for free and show you your score. If you'd like to learn more about SEOspace or just SEO in general, I'll also have some links for you. Thanks so much for watching this quick review of my favorite Squarespace SEO tool, SEOspace.